Hello A plus traders, welcome again to another weekly market forecast. This forecast is for April 27th 2020 to 1st of May 2020. We are going to look at the best trading opportunities for the week ahead, but first let's look at the fundamentals. What do we have in the market this week? So I can see BOJ interest rate decision and policy statement, good trade balance, Fed interest rate decision is here, USD, FOMC, and also Euro unemployment rate and interest rate decision is there. Alright, so this means the focus is on Euro, USD and JPY. So if you are a fundamental trader, you are a fundamental analyst, pay attention to the data, the numbers that will be released this week on this interest rate decision. So we're going to start market forecast. Technically we are done with fundamental, briefly, and I'm more of a technical trader. So we're going to look at AUD JPY. But before I go to the charts, if you are not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below this video, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell there so you get updated whenever we have a new tutorial and videos for you. You can see we have lots of videos to train you, to give you more information about trading. So let's go to the chart. So this is what we have on AUD JPY. Let's look at the straight setup here, and prices forming an ascending wedge. You see price moving in this direction, struggling to break this region. So for this week I'm bearish. I want to see price break out of this structure and to this bottom and tag the 63.00 zone. So watch out for price actions within here. This looks like more like a bearish flag, so we want to see price push up a little bit, then drop all the way down to 63.00. but don't forget, as price action traders, as pro traders, you need to think in probability, and price may decide to push up, tag the stop, and this is a key zone. The 70 and the 71 is a key zone on this chart, so price may decide to tag that top, then drop to the bottom. So whatever the case is, make sure you don't miss the bearish move on this chart. Though the short-term move is tradable, move to the upside is tradable, but I prefer joining the trend down bearish on AUD JPY. So the next trade we are looking at is Euro AUD. So here is the Euro AUD chart. Price has been carving an ending diagonal, and this has been moving this way since beginning of this month, like in fact since late last month, since 23rd of last month we have been seeing price moving here. And as price action traders, we all know that when price makes such a move, there is high probability that price may break out and push to the upside. So the midterm move on this chart is price to push up and tag this 1.8915 zone again. But for this week, I don't want to see, I'm not looking for that bullish move. I'm looking for the short-term sell opportunities. You can see this was a corrective structure here, and price breaks down, and this is more like a bearish flag. So we want to sell from here. When the market opens, you can actually look at your entry time frame, maybe the 1 hour or 30 minute time frame, and look at for that trigger, your entry trigger. Sell. You sell at the break of this structure and back down to this bottom here. Your target for the week is 1.6343 zone. So I'm short-term bearish on Euro AUD. I want to see price breakdown. Then when price switches here, I look for buying opportunities, then join it to the upside. But I'm not expecting this wave this week. This is the wave I'm looking at to trade this week, the sell move. Though don't forget, price may just decide to retest here, then drop again. Don't miss this bearish wave this week. So we look at another one, Euro Swiss francs. So on Euro Swiss francs too, price has been on a key support level and is actually pushing down gradually. We expect a reversal on this chart. I call Euro Swiss francs king of consolidation. This pair can consolidate for the whole world, so I call it king of consolidation. I'm actually bullish on the long term, and I still remain bullish, but I don't intend buying from this level because price may still make this one more drop before pushing up. So for this week, I want to see price push up and break out this structure. So we want to see price break above these highs. When price breaks above these highs and retest, we take our buy from there. Stops will be around here, a little bit tight in case price wants to test this bottom. Stops will be below here. So our target back at the 1.07500, that will be our target. But in case price decide to tag this bottom again, let it tag the bottom, but don't join that sell trade except you have the necessary skills to manage that particular trade. But I will suggest you don't join that trade. Let it tag this bottom. When it tags this 1.0450 zone, then you take your buy from here. When you get an entry, a signal, a confirmation signal, and buy it to the top. So I'm bullish on Euro Swiss francs this week. Next pair I'm looking at is gold. So I've been staying clear of gold for almost a month now. I've not been trading gold because price action have not been really clear in my own eyes. I don't know if you saw it clearly, but for me, I didn't see it clearly. This week I've actually looked at the chart and I'm bullish, short-term bullish on gold. The bullish impulse that started from last month is still intact. See, it's still intact. So we still have bullish impulse on the chart. So I expect price to continue pushing up till it reaches 1911 zone. So I want to see price tag this top again, 1911 zone. So for this week we are bullish, so we will be looking for a short-term correction, price dropping, tag this trend line, get a bullish impulse from there or rejections, we take your buy trade to that top. Also, price may not make this one more drop. Price may just break this kind of flat correction we are having here and continue pushing to the side and to the upside. So whatever presents itself, either price dropping down, tagging here up and push up, or price breaking out of this flag around here, make sure you don't miss that bullish wave to 1911 zone on gold. Then let's look at Nasdaq. Actually, I'm short term and bullish on all stock, SP 500, Nasdaq, DAX, natural gas, and Brent oil. I'm all short term bullish on them. Okay, alright, so this is Nasdaq. Short term bullish. You can see price bouncing off this trend line. The trend line is perfectly price bouncing off, and around here you see the impulse coming in, the bullish impulse coming in. So look for your entry within here, then your stops can be here, your stop there, and your target is up there at the next key zone, the 9,768 zone. That will be your target. So we want to see price break above here and push to 9768 zone. So that is your trade on Nasdaq for this week. Last week we actually projected that price will correct, and it made that correction last week. That drop, and we want to see it to the upside. So that is for Nasdaq. Next we are looking at is SP 500. So here is the SP 500. It's similar like the Nasdaq, but this is what I have to tell you. If you are trading Nasdaq, I will also say you should not trade Nasdaq and SPX 500 together, because they are actually going on the same direction. You can see the trend line is being respected there, and bullish impulse are stepping in. So we look for price to also break above these highs. When we get that break, we join the trade to the next key level at 3,300 or 3,200. That will be our target for the week. So watch out for price to break above this, then push up. Then let's look at Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin, price has been moving up gradually, pushing up correctively, and last week I projected price will retest this level, then push up, and price did just that, and price is here at this resistance. See price there, you can see. So we want to see price continue pushing up until it reaches the 8991 zone, but if that does not happen immediately, we may see a correction and price tag this trend line. When you get a bullish rejection from there or bullish impulse from there, you take your buy trade to 8991 zone. So I'm bullish on Bitcoin too. So these are all my best opportunities this week. Euro AUD bearish, Euro Swiss francs bullish, AUD JPY bearish, gold bullish, Bitcoin bullish, SPX 500 bullish, also Nasdaq bullish. I believe this video was helpful for you. So if you learned a thing or two from it, kindly hit the like button, and also comment below this video if you have any questions. Then share the videos with other traders so they can also learn and profit from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.